standing up. That's a nice shot. That's a very good shot. 300 comes up with that boundary by the Indian captain. I think he's struggling. Probably will need to have another wicket keeper.
Beautiful shot. Coming down the wicket, getting it on the ball. And whipping it through mid-wicket for 4. That's just powerful.
Right into the block hole. Bit of work to do in the deep. But comes single and keeps strike. 271 for 4.
All the wrist from that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power and the whip. Have a look at this. The recoil. It could have been a little fuller, but it was pretty full. The targeting of the boundary. Have you seen a shot like that? It's like a coiled spring.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real whippage.
Typical Dhoni shot. Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big round here at the IPCL.
Off his feet. Tries it again. Sure, maybe one. There is only one.
Down the ground. Extra. Oh, ha, ha. That was worth watching every day of the week. Oh, brilliant. Unbelievable.
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fielder trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backlift and watch the follow through at the moment of impact. Just. Now, there you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.